Once you have copied the Google Sheet, the next step is to prepare the settings sheet. Now for this, in the channels section in the CRM, click on bulk action, click on export, select fields to export, let all of them stay selected, simply click on start export, click on download file. Now open this file and simply copy all the entries like this and paste it here. Kindly do not paste special as values. Kindly do not overwrite the first row. In the CRM API key section, you need to simply generate access token from any of the channel of the account and paste it here. And if you are using channels from multiple accounts in our platform, the access token needs to be of the particular account. So it is not necessary to create access token separately for each channel of the same account. Same access token, you have to paste it here. Now your sheet is ready. In the next step, what we have to do is we have to first create same template in all the channels. So you can create a template here, and then using the bulk clone template option, you can select the template and then click on next. Let me select. You can also select multiple templates like this, then click on next. Select all the channels in which you want to clone the template and click on start cloning. Depending upon the number of channels that you are cloning the templates to, it would take some time, because this template already exists in this channel. It is giving a yellow error. Mostly it would simply show you that the cloning has been done. So once all the rows are done, after that click on sync button. If you have more than 50 or 100 channels, on clicking sync button it might go blank, but that is fine. If you have less channels, it would simply show template sync completed, but this clicking the sync button is really important. After this, close this. Now in the next part, we have to first prepare our contacts sheet. So here you can see there are two important formulas that we have to utilize. One is the band sheet, second is the contact sheet. Now you can have the name of the customer or the contact, right? So I'm simply entering certain names. You can also have the number with the country code. Country code is important. After that, category is not mandatory and variables are not mandatory. Variables are only useful for you if you are using the variables in sending the template message or in sending the campaign. So for now, I am simply showing the campaign creation with variables. You can have less or more variables, but always, even if it is blank, but you need to give all the variables while creating the campaign. Now this formula is really important, because here you will see two parts. First is the starting channel number, which is 1. Second is the number of contacts per channel. Say for example, you want 3 contacts per channel, so you have to enter here 3, and if you want the channel number to start from 10, then you can enter 10. If you are using individual sheet, please keep it 1. After this, you need to scroll it for as long as, scroll it as below as for all the contacts that you have. So you'll see that after every 3 contacts, the channel number is automatically getting changed. So this is one part. Second part is, in case of the banned sheet, if I'm getting any contacts which are getting banned, you can simply enter the number here. It will automatically assign the channel number. So you need not to worry about manually searching the channel numbers. It will automatically search the channel number of the contact from here and assign it here. Now your sheet is ready. Your band sheet is also ready. The next part is creating a base campaign. Now to create a base campaign, go to the campaigns page. click on create new campaign, create a WhatsApp campaign, messaging campaign, select the version, mostly version 2, enter a base campaign name, so maybe base 5th December. You can send it immediately or schedule for future. We are not going to trigger the base campaign. You'll have to always select quick contacts and always select number with variables. Now for 1 or 2 rows, simply copy this. Even if you are not going to use variables, please still copy everything. And then after that, click on which is the recipient number column. So the phone number is in the number column. Now in the messages, select your base channel. It can be any channel. Select the template that you're going to use. We can use this because it also has an image. 1 second, marketing alert. Let me use this template. This template already exists in all the channels. Now after this, the first variable, you can map the variables from here easily if you want to map. If not, you can simply have any static value as well. Then name. The Google code that we have written takes care of this part easily, that if there is no variable present, it would supply a dot automatically. So you did not to write any dot here, just the variable. After this, you can, if you have a ban or block button, you can save that to a custom field. And if you have button, it will ask for a custom payload. You can have a dot, or you can also write anything in the payload. Payload is not visible to the customer. And then save campaign. Once you have saved the campaign, so what the script is going to do is, script is going to clone this campaign with the contacts. So you have to copy the campaign ID from here. Now on the campaign manager in the Google Sheet, click on run bulk campaign. For the first time, it will ask you to authorize the script. Click on advanced, click on go to bulk WA campaign, allow. This would happen only first time for the sheet. Now all the channels from which you want to send the message, simply enter them comma separated, enter your base campaign ID here, select immediately, then all of the campaigns will go immediately, or else you can select schedule for later, and then you can schedule the campaign for a future date and time, say for tomorrow 5:30 p.m. and you can keep it as it is if you do not want to change anything. But if you want to change the variable to cell or column to anything else, you can also change that. Click on submit. After you do this, within say 1 minute or 2 minutes, it would filter the contacts, remove the banned contacts from the main contacts, and then create the campaign. It might take 5 to 7 minutes if you have like 10 or 20 channels and thousands of contacts, and then you'll see a prompt like this that the campaigns are created, and then we can check if the campaigns are created properly from the settings menu. So you can see that we have 2 campaigns here which are scheduled for 6th December at 5:30 p.m. and it has the filtered contacts as well. Then now these are already triggered. You need not to click any rocket icons. It will go at the desired time. So this is how you can use the Google Sheet. Thank you.